Have you ever done anything magical or just been on a magical trip somewhere? Well, I'm Colin MacLeod, CelticFiddleGuru.com, and I had the chance to go over to Texas recently, very recently in fact, and there were a couple of fiddle workshops, a house concert with Margaret Coltman, Austin Symphony Orchestra, and there was also the Salado Highland Games. And there was the chance to play with Brittany Rodriguez, play fiddle music for the dancing organised by Katie Walker from the Austin Scottish Country Dance Society. And you know, just watching everyone's steps while we were playing and matching the rhythm of our playing to the steps of the dancers reminded me of the online movement and music classes which I run with Dr. Michelle Greenwell from the greenwellcenter.com in Cape Breton, and Dr. Michelle Greenwell's a movement specialist. And by just playing for the Scottish Country Dancing with what Brittany and myself were doing, it just reminded me of the movement of Michelle's. It just reminded me of Michelle's movements online, how carefully choreographing the music with Michelle's movements really helped me to be present. And it also supports a community of people who are also in the class. And so when I think about the idea of presence when playing, whether it be at the Salado Highland Games with Brittany and Katie and the dancers, or whether it be online with Michelle and all the class, it really fascinates me and inspires me just to go that bit deeper or pay that bit more attention when I'm actually playing fiddle. And I'm doing all this by ear, so that allows me in this particular situation to be 100% focused on what I'm doing. And yes, I do use sheet music for Scottish country dancing. It's just really interesting to have the ability, or to develop the ability, to actually choose to play music by ear or from sheet music for dancing. And the skills that can be developed from playing by ear augment the ambience, augment the individuality of someone playing from sheet music. And it's like it's almost like there's an inspirational lift to just playing by ear that can be transferred to helping one's own voice to come through when playing from sheet music, or just developing that extra confidence to put something of oneself into what something is doing, into something that someone is doing. Colin MacLeod, CelticFiddleGuru.com. Bye.